All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin and staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-to-1 miners, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Terra Luna. Yeah, it has bounced back really good. I mean, it's still under a penny, but it's got some traction going on here. We're going to go to the website, go to their Twitter account, kind of check out a couple things. Is Terra Luna worth putting money into? And then in 6 months to a year, it's fantastic for you. I don't know. We will see. We'll do a little deep dive. Also, we're going to talk about Crypto. Got started with that with the prices being so super low. I bought crabs for under 200 bucks. And remember, a few months ago, crabs were 1,800 to 2,000 bucks. And I got a whole fleet of crabs for like 600 bucks, 3 of them. And I bought an extra one to put into the tavern. So we're going to talk about Terra Luna and Crypto, sending those little crabs on missions. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. I'm not a financial planner. I do all my information for educational purposes only. Let's head over to Terra Luna. I want to show you this on the coin market, the thing. Biggest gainers, Terra Luna, 1,100%. Biggest trending, number one trending, Terra Luna. Okay, so Terra Luna is the number one trending. Terra Luna is the biggest gainer. Now with that, right here, Terra Luna, it was down 100% in the last 7 days. It's up 1,100% or 978% in the last 24 hours. Clicking it. Now this cryptocurrency was at $100 less than a week ago, and now there's 1, 2, 3 zeros and a 39.32. Now, a little promise that it is up 1,035% in the last 24 hours, so it is trying to bounce back here a little bit. Taking a look, I mean, you can't even look at the charts and stuff. The charts are so tremendously bad. If you look at the 7 days, the 7 days tells the picture. 7 days ago it was $73. Now it's pennies and pennies and pennies. Right here, 0.5. You keep following a zero. There's a lot of different zeros. So everybody knows what's happened to Terra Luna. Can this cryptocurrency bounce back? That's the thing. Is it worth investing some money into Terra Luna? Well, I ended up throwing $100 at Terra Luna. I did it on Pancake Swap, and I actually got almost 1 million tokens of Terra Luna, like 978,000 Terra Lunas. Now, again, if this coin ever goes to $1, I'm pretty much a millionaire. Now, is it worth it to you to throw some money into Terra Luna? You have to ask yourself that. All my information is for educational purposes only. But this may be something that we never, ever see again. Going over to their Twitter account, Terra Luna and Terra UST powered by Luna. So here's what everybody's saying. Update, Wormhole Bridge is now available. The Terra blockchain has resumed block production. Validators have decided to disable on-chain swaps, and IBC channels are now closed. Users are encouraged to bridge off-chain assets such as BETH to their native chain. Wormhole Bridges is currently unavailable. The 13th, which was yesterday, the community is deciding on a new Terra_money between restoring a snapshot prior to the attack, removing TFL, fully collateralizing UST, and drafting and deliberating new mechanisms for Luna. We must salvage the remains of the value in the ecosystem and community and rebuild it the right way. The day before, the Terra blockchain has officially halted at block, and talks right here. Terra validators have halted the network to come up with a plan to reconstruct it. More updates to come. Delegations are disabled now. The chain is now live on a new code merge. Validators, please check the Discord announcements for the latest patch. So the key thing here is, now this is a gamble. You know, a lot of times you're investing in the coins. Right now, this is a pure gamble. Are you willing to throw $10 at Terra Luna? Are you willing to throw $100 at Terra Luna? So I threw $200 at Terra Luna. I threw $100 at Terra Luna when it was at 50 cents. And then the next day, it was below a penny. So it dropped 50 times. So I threw $100, I got 2,000 tokens when it was at 50 cents, and now I got 978,000, almost 1 million tokens, basically before that little bump right there. So it's good that it's bumping back up. This could be a 6-month play for me. This could be a 2-year play for me. Again, this is a pure gamble right now. We have no idea if it's ever going to come back. Will it ever come back to 100? Nobody knows. Will it ever come back to $1? Nobody knows. But this is something in your lifetime that you may never see again. So if you have been investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum and Polkadot and Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, it may not be a bad idea to go to PancakeSwap and throw $10 at Terra Luna, throw $100 at Terra Luna, throw $2 at Terra Luna. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. Again, this is a pure gamble. There's investing in crypto. This is a gamble. This is like you're at the blackjack wheel. Not the blackjack, but the roulette wheel, and it's going around and around, and you put your $10 on black or red. On that one, it's a 50% that you're going to win. This is even worse than that. But, again, a couple things. If you throw $10 or something at it, you're supporting the project, trying to get it back on its feet. There's a reward for you that if all of a sudden that goes to $1 or 10 cents or something, it could actually 1,000x or 100, a crazy X and stuff like that. So, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I threw 200 at it. I throw money at 6-1 miners all day long. I throw money at Drip. I throw money at Piston Token. I throw money at My Diamond Teams V2. I just got in Cardano because the prices were so freaking low I couldn't help myself. So to support the Terra Luna community, sure. I'm also an investor, so hey, maybe I'll get 1,000 times on my money or 10,000 times on my money. I don't know. Again, do your own homework. Checking out their actually website, Terra, programmable money for the internet. Send, save, and stake like never before. Terra is a public blockchain protocol deployed to suit algorithmic, decentralized stablecoins which underpin a thriving economy that brings DeFi to the masses. I mean, a great project. This was in the top 10, top 15. And Luna community, the Terra ecosystem is booming. Join the creators, builders, and users of Terra ecosystem to pioneer the future of DeFi online community. Build on Terra, discover Terra's ecosystem, vibrant smart contracts, thriving cross-chain DeFi environments, build on the Cosmos, SKD, Tendermints. You know, again, I really watch the Terra. Let's watch this.
Creating a decentralized form of money on which you can build an entirely new type of permissionless financial ecosystem is the holy grail.
We're only going to watch this for 30 seconds.
And that's exactly what Terra does. I first got into crypto in late 2016. What was the most interesting to me was that in an industry that calls itself the cryptocurrency industry, there was literally nobody working on creating a better form of money. People just took for granted.
So can't watch the whole thing because everything he's going to talk about, his dreams have been stolen right this second. Hopefully he gets it back. But definitely look at everything on Terra Luna. It's the hottest top of the town right now. Again, Terra is trending #1. The biggest gainer is #1 too. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. What the price is when there's blood in the streets, this is when, you know, it's kind of crazy. When everything's going up, all the investors want to throw their money in. They all want to throw their money in when it's at the peak top high. FOMO. They don't want to miss out. Everybody's in. Get in. But when the thing crashes like the Bitcoin and everything's doing right now, everybody wants to sell off and lose their ass. I mean, it's kind of crazy. Jump in when it's the highest. Sell when it's the lowest. Listen, everybody, it's the opposite. You get in when it's the lowest and you sell when it's the highest. You don't all get in because everybody's getting in. I mean, I know you all do. Everybody does, even myself. I love to get in when things are hot. But then when things are down, let's sell it off. Sell off, sell off. You're doing the exact opposite. Right now, this is when you want to position. I threw $200 into Terra Luna. $100, it was at 50 cents a coin. I woke up in the morning, it was a penny. Oh, well, it happens. Okay, it could bounce back up. Then all of a sudden, one of my friends was like, Frank, there's like 4 or 5 zeros. It's like Shiba Inu right now. I think this coin's going to do it. So I threw another $100 in. Hey, I'm an investor. It's not 10,000. It's not 100,000. I threw a whole $100 in. Do your own investments. Of course, I'm not trying to sway you in any way. I'm just sharing my opinion on this. With it, Cardano. I remember that to buy a fleet of crabs, it was going to cost $6,000, $2,000 for each crab. Then it was $1,800 for each crab. Then it was like $1,500. I was like, oh, $4,500. I bought a fleet of crabs for like $600. I bought an extra crab to put into the tavern for $200. I think I got 4 crabs for under $800. Let's go ahead and check out Crypto for a second. All right, everybody, take a look right here. Over to the left, I just got in a few days ago. I've already earned $26 right here, which is fantastic. In TUS, I've already earned $3.50. I've earned $30 already. I mean, I threw like 800 in, 600 from my actual fleet. Take a look at this. I'm actually in a battle right now. Here's my little crabs. Nobody is challenging me. All the crabs I bought were zero breed. If nobody challenges me in the next 3 minutes, they have to actually challenge in the first 90 minutes. Then I'm going to win this rewards. 4.1 of the CRA coin and 334 of the TUS. So I got 3 more minutes. Also, let's go over here to the marketplace here for a second to show you this. I mean, take a look, everybody. This crab right here, $146. They used to have a zero, $1,400. I mean, these crabs are at a discount. I mean, that's a 3 breed. Let's go all the way to a 0 breed. A 0 breed, right here, this 0 breed is $156. Take a look. It's a 0 breed. This one next to it is a 0 breed. It's $162. I mean, I can get crabs for under $200. Again, on this channel, I like to kind of bring things to you. I mean, look at the primes. Primes are an awesome crab here. A 0 breed prime, $169. You know, right here, this 0 breed prime, $256. Again, I just wanted to bring this to your attention. You know, again, I'm actually in this Crypto game. I've earned $26, $3.50 there. It's actually fun. Every 4 hours, I kind of, you know, I'm going to do a whole video on this. This is just to basically kind of talk about the Terra Luna, which, again, is an investment I'm doing right now in the Crypto because the prices were so low right now. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Can you imagine? I was thinking about buying $6,000 in crabs, and I bought $600 in crabs. I got a whole fleet for $600. My crabs are like $189, $192. Actually, they're actually lower than they're all lower today than when I got in a little bit ago. But I wanted to bring this to the channel. I had a friend say to me, Frank, I was always priced out. At $4,500 for a fleet, I couldn't do it. Now at $450 for a fleet, maybe you can do it. Plus, it's a fun game too. So, all right, let's head back over to Terra Luna, and can't do a price prediction, but we'll talk about it. All right, so back over here at Terra Luna, there's 1, 2, 3 zeros on a 41.57. It's up 1,600%. Literally, it's up way more than when it was when I started. I'm just saying that Terra Luna is trying to come back. You may never have another cryptocurrency that this ever happens again, that you can throw $10 into it or $100 into it or whatever your risk factor is. If this coin gets back to $1 or $10, holy cow, I got 978. Let's see. If I got 978 tokens and it went to $10, yep, I'd be a 9 millionaire. Okay, let's go 978 times $1. Well, you already know what that's going to be. It's going to be 978. And I actually got 2,000 tokens when it was at 50 cents. If the coin went to $1, I'd have $4,000. So now the coin's not at 50 cents, as you can see. There's 3 zeros and a 41.69. All right, 2 great subject matters. Terra Luna trying to bounce back. Again, it's not investing right now. This is gambling. You're gambling for sure. But as some of my friends on the internet says, if you went to the actual blackjack table and you put $5 down and you lost it, if you didn't lose your mind, it's not that big of a deal. Now, if you put $150 on one hand and you lost it and you felt bad about it, then you know your risk tolerance is a little too high. Only do what you're willing to bet on this. This is not an investment. This is a gamble. But if you put $10 in or a certain amount of money in and it panned out and got to $1 or $10 in a year from now, I mean, go back to this video. You'll be pretty happy. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. I'll link BUSD right here. I've already got all my money back and 40% of my money. I'll link USDC right here. I'm at 50% of my money back. In about 3 weeks from now, I'll be broken even. All right, everybody, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, you have a fantastic Saturday.